Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we're going to see how we use percent error to test the accuracy of our predictions for a linear regression line. So in this example, we have John decided to study the relationship between dog size and life expectancy. He found a negative correlation, and the linear regression equation is as follows, where x is the weight of the dog and y is the dog life expectancy. So we're going to predict the life expectancy of a Labrador Retriever, which weighs 30 kilograms. So in our model here, the weight of the dog is x. So we're going to put in x equals 30. We're going to substitute x equals 30 into our linear regression equation to find the y value, which is the life expectancy. So we just do y equals negative 0.172 times 30 kilograms plus 15.6. And I'm going to work that out on the calculator. Okay, we have negative 0.172 times 30 plus 15.6. That gives us 10.44. So that's approximately 10.44. Okay, so that's life expectancy, so that's years. So our prediction is that a Labrador Retriever lives to be 10.44 years old. And if you look it up, the actual life expectancy of a Labrador Retriever is actually 12 years. Calculate the percent error. So we can use percent error to basically provide a measurement of how far our estimate is off the actual value. So we use a percent error formula. So it's this little squiggly e thing for error. Is the absolute value of the approximate value minus the exact value divided by the exact value times 100%. Okay, so in this case, the approximate value is the one, our estimate from our linear regression equation. So that's going to be 10.44. And then we have the exact value is 12. And we'll times by 100% here. And I'm going to work that on my calculator. I'm going to do first 10.44 minus 12. Then I'll divide by 12. So that's negative 0.13. Now basically, this absolute value bars here, this means whatever the answer is, it's going to be positive. You have to make it positive. So it's negative in this case, so we can just make that positive 0.13. Okay, and then we're going to multiply by 100%. So of course you're going to get 13 in this case. So our percent error is 13%. Okay, so our prediction is 13% off of the actual value. Now I'm going to quickly show how to type this into math type, because some of you might be using this for your project. Alright, so it's very important to get the correct symbol for the error. It's not an E, it's kind of like an epsilon, but not this epsilon. That's the incorrect one. We need to go over here to this this part of math type, and it is the second one down here on the left. So we use that one, equals, and then we can get the absolute value symbol right there. Inside that we need a fraction, so I click here, and I'm going to do V, and that is not VA, it's V subscript A, so I need to go here for a subscript, and capital A, and then minus V E, and then, oops, I can basically just, there we go, and then VE. Oops. And then times, don't use an X for times, we can find this time symbol here, and 100%. Okay, you can copy and paste that into any document.